hiccups are going.
Hi everybody, and I'm going to teach you how to get your hiccups away. First you grab a pencil, then you get a cup.
I thought
Then
you
you
were
get
away.
water. Then you drink it.
Whoa. It's okay. We'll wipe it up, okay?
Let's try this one more time.
Okay, watch out. Let's wipe up the water so you don't fall on it. Watch out, please, CJ. Scoot over.
Now my hiccups are gone.